guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually already running late, but I had to give the introduction. So basically today me, my cousin and some friends, we are going to this hill for a trek which is some kilometers away and is located in Atugaon, and the name of the hill is Bhumeswar hill. After a very long time I'm going for a trek, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fun. Also I'm really excited. We're going early morning because by the time it's afternoon, like a lot of people comes and it's not safe because of Rona. I also heard there's no proper way to climb up the hill, so it's gonna be adventurous too. We will try to go till the top, but let's see. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'm gonna go get ready now. I'm already late, so yeah, let's get going. Look at the mark after wearing the mask. So basically we are going over there, that hill. God, this looks so beautiful. Guys, this looks so beautiful. Look at this. This is where it all starts. So there's this temple here. Yes, so we have to go through this, and I don't know the way. Those are my cousins. Let's see. That's where we are exactly going actually. The only thing I'm scared is leech. Only leech. It seems there's like this big leech. And I'm like really scared. So let's see. Nandini, how are you feeling? Tired already? It's not that stiff though. It's fine. So Krishnav, tell me, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very tupuni.
So basically, आज थोड़ा पानी कम है because it didn't rain. लेकिन ठीक ही है, सुंदर है. थक गया. It's so tiring because I haven't been climbing. This is for walking more, so it's very tiring. But overall, it's worth it. Like really beautiful. Hey, pura. This is sexy. Struggling a lot, look at them. Yes. How was the feeling? It's tough actually if you can climb, but they are not used to climbing, so. Don't do this. Don't do this. পুরো বিরান ক্লাম দিতে ভয় লাগে. Let's go! Let's go! my girls are already so tired. So she's hurt also. Look at this. So sad. You don't want to go up? No. Why? Mountain man. Mountain man. And where's the another mountain man? He's lost. Go. Show some Josh. No. Guys, tell her to show some Josh. She's already tired. No, how's the Josh? Very low.
Very low.
Too low, very low. Beauty ki hol? Dukhi atma. Guys, ei dujoni dukhi atma. Nazanu kele. Ezoni. Now this is gonna be tough. We have to go all the way from here. डर के आगे जीत है. So basically his name is Jeet और डर के आगे जीत है. Nandini, say hi. That's Bijoy, that's Duty, that's Uday. This is Jeet, and that's Nirmali. And it's lovely here. This is a newly created waterfall. How is it created? Tell me.
This waterfall was formed due to a landslide.
Okay, newly na. It just I think 4 to 5. 1 week.
Yeah, 1 week.
1 week only that this is formed. Usually it's like the water is very heavy, but it didn't rain, so there's not much of water, but it's lovely. Oh my god, this was a real struggle, man. Look at them crawling over. Yeah, we are at the top. मेहनत का पसीना निकल गया. हम लोग ने भी बहुत मेहनत किया है. देखो इसको
और बाकी सब मेहनत कर नहीं पाया.
Youngest one has climbed up, but the rest of them are still down.
Very short time, na?
Look at us, so dirty. So, Mr. Krishnav, deka Laura, how was it? The entire
once in a lifetime wala feeling.
How high is the altitude?
We are currently at 220 meters.
Not that high now.
Not that high, but it's high.
It is high. Like the struggle is real. Dance.
Dance हो रहा. Dance.
I want to go, but I'm scared because it's very slippery. Climb up. I don't know how long would it take to go down. So yeah, I'm gonna not vlog this part because it's scary. Let me show you. Oh my god, it already started raining. So nice. So nice. Woo! Kona. Woo! Iman boring wala wood.
Sikun bali namim to eta video rosa. Hi.
Bye. Going home now. Abhi hoga main challenge. We have to go from here and reach there, na? All the way from here and then there. Oh my god. Good luck. Good luck to me and to my friends. Joke to nola ba na?
ভিডিও খিনি শুট নহল না
down and look at us, so dirty. We just washed ourselves and we got hurt also. Look at this. Us. Bear Grylls. View looks amazing. Look at that. The rest of them, they already went down. Actually got lost and I just met her. How was it, Guru? Awesome. We all got so drenched. I mean, but it was so fun. How are you, madam?
I'm fine, yo!
Okay, so that's all for today. I'm going home now. Bye.